Hi everyone, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc. Today I'm going to show you a simple window card using the Over the Moon stamp set. This stamp set will be available to purchase through Stampin' Up! Beginning June 4th, 2019. Don't worry if you don't have all of the products for this. You can easily substitute punches or other dies that you may have. And for your coloring tools, you can use watercolor pencils, markers, or our Stampin' blends. For the card base, you want to start with a piece of Whisper White cardstock that measures 4 1/4 inches across by 11 inches. And then you're going to score it at 5 1/2 inches. Your finished card should be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You're going to want to select 2 dies. This is the largest of the layering circles dies, and this is the second largest of the stitch framelit circles. You're going to place those two together, place that over the front layer of your card, decide where you want that, and then run that through your die cutting machine. After die cutting, you're going to have your card looking like this with a circle out of the front panel. You're going to have a ring, which you can discard, and then you will have one of the stitch framelit circles. We need to do just a little bit of stamping, so I am using the Tuxedo Black Memento ink, and I'm going to use the greeting, which says, "You're utterly fantastic." I'm going to stamp that just below our open window on the front of the card. And then I'm also going to stamp our cow image right on the middle of our circle that we die cut. It's time for the fun part, so now you get to color. I find that Petal Pink Stampin' Blends work great for this area of the cow. And then on the darker spots, I used a combination of Smoky Slate and Basic Black Stampin' Blends to color that in. To color the grass, I've got kind of a fun technique I want to show you. I'm just going to scribble out a little bit of the lighter Granny Apple Green Stampin' Blends. I'm going to put a little bit of grass behind him as well. And then what I'm going to do is take the fine point of the darker one, and I'm just going to dot that to create some depth and dimension. So you can see how I've finished the grass there. I've added a few light dots with my light Balmy blue, and then I'm going to add a few dark dots with the dark Balmy blue Stampin' Blends for the sky, just to give it a little bit of dimension there. Your final step is to add just a few dimensionals to the back of your colored circle, and then place that in the center of your opening. So this is actually going to be on that inside panel, and then that flips open just like so. To make your card extra special, add more cows. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.